Good evening. The Supreme Court trial of Lee Jae-myung, the Democratic Party's presidential primary candidate, is speeding up. Chief Justice Cho Hee-dae said the first trial under the Public Official Election Act is likely to move faster than the 633 principle, which sets 6 months for the first trial and 3 months each for the appeal and final ruling. The political circles are on edge due to the unusually fast-paced proceedings. The key question is whether the Supreme Court will rule before the June 3rd election, as the timing could affect politics. Now here's a report from Lee Si-yeol.
The Supreme Court announced that it will hold the second deliberation session for the appeal trial of Lee Jae-myung's election law violation case tomorrow. On the day they decided to handle the case in the full bench, they held the first session, and now they're holding the next session just 2 days later.
The election law case went to the full bench and deliberations began today. How do you view the ruling?
In tomorrow's session, it's expected that the exchange of opinions on key issues, beyond procedural matters, will take place. The central issue is whether Lee violated election laws in 2021 by claiming in media interviews that he didn't know the late Kim Moon-ki, former Seongnam Development Director, and denying any pressure from the Land Ministry over the Baekhyun-dong project. Legal experts and observers have noted that the Supreme Court's rapid pace in this case is an unprecedented move that goes beyond usual expectations for the full bench's deliberation process. The full bench's deliberation sessions can be scheduled additionally at the discretion of the Chief Justice, but they are typically held once a month. A follow-up session just 2 days after the first, as in this case, is unusual and seems to reflect new emerging issues or differing opinions among justices. Since taking office, Chief Justice Cho Hee-dae has called for faster trials, raising expectations that a verdict in Lee Jae-myung's case could come before the June presidential election. MBN News, Lee Si-yeol.